Welcome to MakaiPlan, the world's leading subsea cable planning software. This video will demonstrate importing route position lists from text files. First, you will browse for and load the text file containing your RPL. MakaiPlan's Import RPL tool has the ability to import an RPL of any format, as the user has the power to define the file format. First, you will define the delimiter. This RPL was imported from a CSV file, so the default delimited selection is correct and can be confirmed from the data displaying properly in the RPL file cells at the top of the window. If the file was tab delimited, you would select that option. If the delimiter was another character, you can use the other option to define the delimiter. Next, you will define the number of header and waypoint lines. In this RPL, there are 4 header lines or lines of data containing information such as the path name and column or field labels. And there are 2 lines of data for each waypoint. In other words, data for each waypoint spans across 2 lines. If your RPL has extra lines of data to ignore, that can be defined as well. Next, you will define the various data fields. Latitude and longitude can each be read from multiple fields or a single field, as it is in this RPL. For each waypoint, the latitude value is in the first row and the 4th field. This is defined by typing that location into the Field Definition tab. Notice that the field name appears at the top. Another way to define a field is by right-clicking the value and selecting the corresponding field, as seen here when defining longitude. The last field that is required to be defined in order to import the RPL is the cumulative cable distance. All other fields may be added later in MakaiPlan itself. In this video, most of the other fields are being defined as well. Imported cable and body types should have already been defined within MakaiPlan, but may also be defined after the import. Linked bodies are linked to a specific lat/lon position and cable distance, while unlinked bodies are only defined by their cable distance. If you would like to import data in fields other than those in the Field Definition tab, you may add a new field in the User Data tab, such as this RPL's Auto Label field. You can also extract plough information from a defined field in the RPL. In this RPL, the plough information is in the comments field, and the values corresponding to plough down and plough up match the default values in the User Data tab, so that does not need to be changed. The last interface tab is the Coordinate System tab, which allows you to use the WGS84 coordinate system or upload your own coordinate system file, so position data can be imported as lat/lon or XY. To ensure that your RPL will be imported as desired, you can compare the RPL file cells with the Waypoint to Analyze tool. Stepping through each waypoint is useful to ensure your data is passed as expected. Once you have checked this, you can save this RPL format for use at another time, where you will be importing multiple RPLs of the same format. Clicking OK will prompt you to save your RPL as a cable path for use in MakaiPlan. Your path is now imported and ready to be edited and analysed. If the RPL being imported is using the cable distance of the final manufactured cable system, you will want to ensure you are working in fixed cable mode. MakaiPlan is a highly mature tool that greatly streamlines the route planning process, saving you time and money. please contact Makai to try the software or for more information. Thanks for listening.